Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will share a powerful AI IDE from Google that allows you to create apps and websites just by giving simple prompts. After watching this video, you'll be able to use Google's Antigravity to create websites and host them for free. So without wasting our time, let's jump into it. Alright, open your browser and search for Antigravity. Click on the first link. This is the official site from where you can download the AI-powered IDE. Click on Download. I am using Windows, so I will download this. After installing the software, you can create a new folder where our project files will be stored. Select the AI model that you want to use. Start typing your prompt. I will ask it to create a portfolio website. It will show you the list of tasks that are going to be executed. Let's proceed with the implementation plan. After a few minutes, your website will be ready. Let's visit our website by following this localhost link. Our website looks good, but it still lacks some animations and changes as the buttons are not functional as well. Let me quickly make the required changes. After making some changes, our website is now ready for deployment. Open a new tab and search for GitHub. Let's create a new repository. Give it a name. Click on Create Repository. Click on Upload an existing file. Now upload all of the project files except for the node_modules folder. Click on Commit Changes. Open a new tab and search for Burshell. Let's create an account. Continue with GitHub. install GitHub. You'll see all of your GitHub projects. Click on Import. Finally, click on Deploy. Your website is now live. You can see this one is running locally, but this one is live on the internet and users can visit your website using your website's link. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this, and I'll catch you in the next one.